Listen up. Do me a favor and help those two get out of here.
This is a revolution. I have a lot of respect for Arlong, but I've surpassed him. Your skills are inconsequential now. You're helpless here. Yeah.
Three sword style. Tatsumaki!
Oh, not bad. I can let loose.
I can't keep this up for much longer.
You can't hold out for long, beauty human.
Zoro's gonna pass out soon. Just no time. Follow!
Now, it's time to die.
One sword style. Lion strike!